Hello, Kids 3. We are going to start revising some of the vocabulary and sentences that we saw last class. Vamos a repasar algo del vocabulario y el armado de oraciones que vimos la clase pasada. Si tienen un lápiz y un papel, o un cuadernito y un lápiz, a pencil and a paper. Ok. Vean si pueden ordenar estas palabras. No las copien. Directamente traten de ver en qué orden irían como para armar una oración correcta. ¿Están escribiendo su oración? Tienen que cambiar el orden de estas palabras. Okay, I'll help you. It's an action figure. It's an action figure. ¿Les suena? Is it correct? Let's check. Yes, it is correct. Good. Dinosaur, it's it. Can you put the words in the correct order? Write your answers. Are you writing? Okay, so what's this? We start with it's dinosaur, eh? It's a dinosaur. It's a dinosaur. Let's check. Oh, yes, it is correct. What's this? A robot. It's. Write your sentences in your copybooks or in your papers. Write your sentences. Come on. ¿Están escribiendo? ¿En qué orden irá? It starts with, yes, of course, it's a robot. It's a robot. Let's check. Yes, correct. Next one. What's this? So we begin with a, we begin with its, we begin with yo-yo, we begin with its. Good. It's a yo-yo. Let's check. Correct. What's this? So what's this? It's a plane. It's a plane. Let's check. Correct. Very good. And this is the last one. Uh-oh. It's clear. What's this? It's building set A. Put it in the correct order, kids. Come on, write your sentence. So we begin with it's a. It's a building set. It's a set building. It's a building set. Let's check. Yes, it's a building set. Good. Perfect. Well done, kids.